In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Hostinger's hPanel Cache Manager to ensure your WordPress website runs smoothly and efficiently. Clearing your cache can help speed up your site and address common issues. So, let's dive in and walk through the entire process step by step. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Hostinger account. Head to the website and as you enter your login credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the hPanel, which is your control hub for managing websites hosted on Hostinger. This tool is incredibly useful as it provides all the options needed to keep your website in optimal condition. Once you're in the hPanel, look over to the left sidebar where you'll find various menu options. You'll want to click on the one labeled Websites. This section gives you access to a list of all the websites you have set up on Hostinger. From here, selecting Website List gets you that comprehensive list of your sites, each accompanied by various management options. Now, carefully look through the list to find the WordPress website that requires a cache clear. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on Dashboard. This selection will take you to the website's overview page, where you can see a summary of its performance and various functions. Next, we need to access the Cache Manager. On the overview page, you should see an option titled Clear Cache. Clicking on this will take you directly to the Cache Manager. Another route to the same destination is by selecting Advanced from the left sidebar and then choosing Cache Manager from the subsequent options. The Cache Manager is a powerful tool for managing your website's cache effectively, giving you both a broad and granular view of what's happening. Now that you're in the Cache Manager, let's talk about purging the cache. You have a couple of options here. If you want to clear the entire website cache, simply click on the Purge All button. This option will sweep your entire website clean of cache data, which is often the best approach if you've recently made wide-ranging changes across your site. Alternatively, if you're looking to clear the cache for something specific, such as a particular page or post, you can enter the URL in the designated field. Just type or paste the URL and click Purge. This gives you flexibility if you only want to refresh a particular section of your site without affecting the entire cache. Once you've made your selection, a confirmation pop-up may appear, asking you to verify the action. This step is crucial to ensure no mistakes are made, so take a moment to read it through and then confirm. And that's all there is to it. Following these steps should keep your website running swiftly and efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.